Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 10. Him who departs, stays and enjoys, who is united with gunas, the deluded do not see, but they do behold him who possesses the eye of knowledge.
Chapter 15, Shloka 10. उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः.
Chapter 15, Shloka 10. If the consciousness which is eternal and perfect is so intimately present in every experience of man, how is it that we who are living through vivid and real experiences at every moment of our existence fail to recognize the divine perfection which is so constantly with us at all times and everywhere? The self is visible only to the eye of knowledge. The better understanding of things is always reserved for the man of knowledge. A common man, though observing the object, does not fully correctly understand it. Only a jeweler can really estimate the quality and worth of a jewel, even though all can look at it. Similarly, everyone can perceive, feel, and think, and yet it is only the wise man who can come to recognize and live the infinite essence of life itself. The infinite self is at all times present. Vitalized by the presence of the spirit, the subtle body departs, exists, and enjoys the experiences. Whatever be the climatic condition of the mind, sattva, rajas or tamas, all are experienced by the light of consciousness. Yet the unintelligent one perceives not, as it is preoccupied with the details of the experiences. Those who have the necessary detachment alone can recognize and live the joys of the pure self, the subject. The special vision available to the man of perfection is called the eye of wisdom in this shloka. This eye of wisdom cannot be developed unless the disciplines of self-perfection are properly practiced. The subjective technique of self-integration can be successfully brought about only when complete integration of personality at the outer layers has taken place. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.